Hello and welcome to CompanyNet's roundup of new and updated features you can expect in Microsoft 365 for June 2020. This month we're seeing various tweaks and improvements to SharePoint, PowerPoint and Microsoft Teams that will help continue to make life easier for those of us working from home. This video is brought to you by CompanyNet. We're experts in all things Office 365, from Teams to Power Platform, SharePoint and beyond. If you need help with your organization's Microsoft journey, drop our friendly team a line. First up this month, live presentations in PowerPoint. This feature, which is just launched in preview, improves the audience's experience of watching a presentation. With the new Live Presentations option, PowerPoint can automatically add subtitles to your presentation as you talk and translate it into other languages on the fly. People watching on mobile devices will be able to interact with slides using gestures like pinch to zoom. There will also be the option for audience members to send live reactions like you might find on a Facebook live stream, providing presenters with useful feedback. Now, anyone who's edited a lot of content in SharePoint knows that feeling of not being able to find the perfect image to make a page more visually engaging. Microsoft are now adding the ability to choose high-quality stock images from a wide range of categories. This will be a welcome addition for those looking to quickly and legally brighten up a page. This change is currently on targeted release, so it should be with everybody soon. You might want to consider letting your content editors know once you spot it on your tenant. Sticking with SharePoint, for those who have an out-of-the-box SharePoint intranet or who use SharePoint sites for other reasons, Microsoft will soon release shy headers on SharePoint sites. These are headers that, as you scroll down the page, shrink upwards while remaining visible, leaving you with the most possible real estate for content. Next up, when users share files, they can choose whether or not the recipient can read or edit the document. Coming soon is the ability to choose Review Only. This won't allow users to edit the document, but it will allow them to add comments and markup. Now let's head to Microsoft Teams. With most of us working remotely, regular communication is more critical than ever. Microsoft have launched a new app for Teams which will help on this front. The Yammer Communities app provides a welcome integration between Yammer and Teams, letting organizations take advantage of Yammer's organization-wide announcements and employee engagement functionality. Microsoft Teams and Yammer provide somewhat overlapping capabilities, although Microsoft have always maintained that they serve different needs. Teams is what they call inner loop communication, which means it's for chatting with the people that you work with regularly on projects. Yammer, on the other hand, provides outer loop collaboration, which means you can collaborate and communicate across your organization and with wider groups and communities. By calling the app Communities, Microsoft are reinforcing this distinction. You can install the Communities app from the Teams App Store. Teams administrators can create a policy to deploy and pin the app for all users or for a subset of users. There are a few more updates coming to Teams this month which will make life easier for remote workers. Joining a Teams meeting from a link can be confusing until you get used to it. Microsoft will be improving the interface to make it clear how you can join the meeting. Finally, a Meet Now button will soon be added to the header of each channel. You'll be able to click the button in the top right corner to launch an instant channel meeting without having to schedule it first. That's it for this month. Remember, if you need support making the most of any aspect of Microsoft Teams, SharePoint, or any of Microsoft 365, CompanyNet are here to help. Visit our website to find out more.